subbies, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a new tutorial video for you. Now I already have the lace cut and the baby hairs already cut because my dumb ass did a whole tutorial and accidentally deleted the video trying to clear out my phone for more storage. So therefore I have to redo this video, and that's why it's like this. Now this wig is from WIGS Hair Company, and if you've been watching me and following me for a while, you know I always work with this company. I absolutely love their wigs, and everything that they send me is always nice. And this wig today is a water wave wig. Now it looks a bit puffy and everything like this, but this wig is super soft, and then once I add water, all the curls will be all defined and be back to life. Now when I first did the tutorial, I did do a side part with baby hairs, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do a middle part with the baby hairs, and I kind of want like a, you know, nice, neat, wet look or whatever like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into this tutorial. Now this is a 13x4 frontal wig, and what that means is I can part this wig anywhere I want, down the middle, on the side, half ponytail, half up, half down. I can do absolutely whatever I want. So this is pretty much what the wig looked like, and I do have a cap under here. It's a little bit lighter than my skin tone, but when I lay the wig down, like, it's not gonna be like a big deal of the cap. But if you do have a lot of cap and you want it to like blend perfectly, just go ahead and place your foundation on top of that cap. Now, like I said, this lace is already cut because I had already installed this wig on the previous video, and oh, it blends so perfectly. And I did do it glueless, so I will do it glueless again, but y'all know usually I use the Bio Silk, and it's running out so fast because I use it for every installation I do for YouTube, just my regular clients, for myself, so it's running low. So I'm just gonna go in with the Got To Be spray today, and I'm just gonna spray my lace down section by section, starting with the middle first, and then I'm gonna work my way towards the sides. And I'm actually working on, since everybody loves the whole elastic band method that I brought, you know, forward to my channel, and a lot of people actually like the idea of the elastic band. So, boom, I am working now on my custom elastic band, and this is a sample here. It will be pink, and it's super stretchy. And I'm gonna do the branding and everything like that for you guys, and I will let you know when it is ready to be released. So instead of me using my regular black elastic band I normally use, I am going to be using my sample pretty pink elastic band, and I'm really excited about this release of my elastic band line. So guys, make sure you stay tuned with that, and we are gonna get these laces melted, honey. Like, from the rest of this year till forever, your lace will be melted using that beautiful Hustler elastic band. So yeah, let's get into it. So I'm just gonna take the Got To Be, and you already know how this process goes. I'm just gonna spray it down and blow dry it from ear to ear, and then I'm gonna go in with, you know, parting and blah 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 blah. Y'all know the rest. So here we go. Okay, so that lace is down all over, nice and tight, nice and firm. So now I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair down the middle. And now I'm gonna take my wax stick and just apply it all at the top of where my parting is. And then I'm gonna use my hot comb to press it out nice and straight, because you do want it to be like, you know, very flat. Even though it's curly hair, you still want it to be flat at the top. So the next step I'm going to do is go ahead and take the Nairobi Smooths, and I'm going to take my Beautiful Hustler Melt Belt, and it's pink, and I'm going to tie down my lace after applying the mousse from ear to ear. And then I'm going to sit under the dryer for like 10 minutes, or you can blow dry it until it's dry. It's just really your preference. So let's get to it. So while that's drying, I'm just gonna go ahead and wet my hair off camera and sit under the dryer for 10 minutes, and I will be back. Okay, so now that I did go and wet the hair and I let the lace dry completely, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the band. And these bands will actually be up on my site this week for purchase. And it will be the Beautiful Hustler Melt Belt, and it's for melting that lace. It's very breathable material. Elastic band is already tight. It still gives you that melt down without squeezing out your brain, and it's more breathable, so it dries much faster as well. And here's what it looks like once I take that band off. And I'm just going to take my comb and just comb that out. Like I said, the baby hairs have already been cut on this wig, so I'm just going to comb them out. Now for the baby hairs today, I will use the Got To Be spray, the Got To Be black gel. I will not be using mousse. And if you want your baby hairs to stick without being movable, which will help them last a little longer as well, then I would definitely recommend the Got To Be black gel. This is what I use for some people who be like, I don't know how to maintain my hair. I don't want my baby hairs to move. So, Boo-Bay number 2. And, oh shit. And I'm just going to use my little edge brush. You can use a rat tail comb as well, but this has even smaller teeth, which I really like, so I'm going to use this. So where the baby hairs already were, I'm just going to just do like a little swoop there, do some swoops on this side and swoops on that side. And I'm going to, after I do that, I'm going to clean up my part and conceal it. So I decided to take some Got To Be gel on the back of my hand, like that. And I'm going to use the smaller side. And I like to take the teeth of the comb and just brush it in that gel. Because you really don't need too much. You just need enough to it comb and saturate right on through. And I like to comb the rest of the hair into, the rest of that baby hair into the wig. So I went ahead and completed both sides. Now, what I'm going to do now is take my black spray and lay my comb in the center. to clean up my part. And now I'm going to take my Bio Silk and spray on top. Taking my comb, I'm just going to comb the hair this way. And I actually want to wear one side behind my ears. And I'm just going to take some concealer and clean up my part. Okay, so I went ahead and concealed my part and wet my hair some more. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you guys for watching.